Today, we're going to learn another new red word. Remember, red words are words that we cannot use the letters and the sounds in the word to stretch it out and to help us read the word. We just have to remember what the word looks like and read it quick. So then we can use those words when we're writing and when we're reading. Before we start our new red word, we're going to go through the red words that we've learned so far this year in kindergarten. So I'm just going to shuffle them up. We're going to say the word, and then we're going to arm tap the word. This is the word. Go ahead and shout it out. We. Good. Arm tap it. W-E, we. Next word. I. 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 Like. Here we go. L-I-K-E, like. Nice work. Those are the red words we've already learned. Today, we have a new red word. Here's our sentence. Our sentence says, we can play. This word that's underlined, has a line under it in red, is our new red word. We're going to be learning the word can this week. So I'm going to start by writing the word in my red word book. Remember, if you don't have your red word book at home with you, that's okay. Just use a piece of paper. Or you could also use a whiteboard and a marker. Just make sure you're writing the word and saying the letters with me. I'm going to open up to my next page in my red word book, and I'm going to show you how I write the word can. Then it'll be your turn to write the word can. Can has 3 letters. Oh, you can hear the k, k. You can hear the C in that word can. C, A, N. Can. Notice that all of my letters are lowercase. C-A-N, can. Let's try it together. Go ahead and write the word can with me. Say each letter as you write it. 1, 2, 3. Let's hear it. C, A, N, can. If you have your canvas at home with you, you could slide your canvas underneath the page. And then we can write it one more time with the canvas underneath. If you don't have your canvas, that's okay. Just write the word again with me. 1, 2, 3. C, A, N, can. Now we're going to arm tap the word. We're going to do this 3 times. And remember, look at the word as you're arm tapping. That's how you'll make sure you're saying the right letters in the right order. And when we arm tap, here's the hand that I use to write with. This is the hand that I'm going to be tapping with. So for 3 letters in the word can, I would tap 3 times. C-A-N, can. Then I slide it when I say the word. Remember, if you write with this hand, if this is the hand you hold your crayon or your marker in, you're going to start at your wrist. And then we're going to tap it and say the letters. C-A-N, go back down, swipe, can. Nice job. We're going to arm tap this word 3 times. We'll start with the letter C, go to A, and then the last letter is N. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. C-A-N, can. Again, C-A-N, can. Last time, let's hear it. C-A-N, can. Nice work. Next, we're going to trace the letters using our wiggle finger. So if you used your canvas, it'll feel kind of bumpy, the crayon. If you didn't have your canvas, that's okay. Just trace right over your letters or trace over my letters. Or you could trace on like your couch with your finger, just something to get a little different feel. Let's hear it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. C, A, N, can. C, A, N, can. Last time. C, A, N, can. If you have your canvas, I hear can in the word canvas. You have your canvas, put your canvas on top and feel the tickles. 1, 2, 3. C, A, N, can. Again, C, A, N, can. Last time, C, A, N, can. I'm using my Redword book, so I'm going to flip over to the next page. If you're using a notebook or a whiteboard, just find a space where you've got some more room to write. We're going to write the word can 3 more times. Here we go. C, A, N, can. Again, C, A, N, can. Remember, it's really important with red words to say the letter as you write them so you can really stick it in your brain. And number 3, C, A, N, can. Last, we're going to write our sentence. Today, our sentence is going to say, we can dance. Let's count the number of words that are going to be in our sentence. We can dance. How many words? 3. So let's draw 3 lines in our Redword book. We're going to draw a line for every word that we want to write. So here's where we will write the word we. Ooh, we're ready for a new word, so we need a, shout it out, finger space. Can. Ready for a new word, we need a finger space. Remember, put your finger right down on the paper, and then you're going to draw your line on the other side of your finger because we read going this way. We can, finger space, dance. Point to each line and say the word that you're going to write with me. 1, 2, 3. We can dance. Let's start writing. I'm going to use my black marker. You could also use a pencil. We're going to start with the red word, we. You know how to spell that word. How do we spell we? W-E, we. Because it's the first word in our sentence, the first letter W has to be a capital letter, W. Remember, if you can't make your W look exactly the way you want it to yet, that's okay. Just try your best. W-E, we. We. What's the next word? Can. And we wrote out that one right here. C, A, N, can. If you're ever not sure of how to spell a word, you can always look at where you wrote it up above. We can dance. Dance is a green word, so we're just going to listen for sounds we might hear. Dance. D, d, d. What letter makes the d sound? Yeah, the letter D. It's right back here, our special letter this week. Dance. Remember, to make a D, we're going to make a C, go around the drum, tall line down the stick. Make sure your D is facing the same way as mine, otherwise it's a different letter. Do we hear any other sounds that we know? Dance, dance, dance. Ooh, some of you might have heard the S sound. S makes that sound. Dance. And I'm going to put a period at the end of this sentence because remember it tells our reader that the sentence is over. You can take a little break, a little breath, and then move on to the next sentence in the story. So I've got my period at the end, I've got my finger spaces, and I have a capital letter W because it's the first letter in my sentence. Let's go ahead and read our sentence. One's up. 1, 2, 3. We can dance. Show yourself how to draw a red line under our new red word, can. Okay, let's check. Our new red word is right here. So I drew a red line under our special red word for this week. You might have noticed we is also a red word, but it's not our special word this week. Last thing we're going to do is sing our red word of the day song with the word can. So I'm going to hold up the word. Remember, it's important to look at the word. Look at the letters so you know which letter to say. All right, here we go. There was the red word of the day, and can was our red word. C-A-N, can, C-A-N, can, C-A-N, can, and can was our red word. Let's do a few of our silly voices. Let's start with a singing voice. C-A-N, can. Let's do a robot voice. C-A-N, can. And my favorite, let's do hungry thing. C-A-N, can. Nice job learning to read and write our brand new red word